Welcome to dasuhaenglish. Let's learn English together. Make sure you watch this video till the end and see for yourself whether your English is improving or not. Just keep concentrating. Speak in tongues. The meaning is to communicate in a language that is not understood by others. As an example, some people believe they can speak in tongues during religious experiences. Get off the board. The meaning is to resign or leave a position or responsibility. Example: after years of service, he decided to get off the board of directors. Stay focused. Mat out. It means to fill in or complete a form or document. Example: make sure to mat out all the required fields on the application. Dog away. It means to save or store something for future use or protection. Example: it's a good idea to dog away some extra supplies in case of emergencies. Blanket about, which means to cover or include a wide range of topics or issues. Example: the seminar provided a blanket coverage about various investment strategies. Next, music up, which means to increase the volume or intensity of music. Example: can you music up the song? I love that part. Blow out. It means to stop working due to an electrical malfunction. Example: the fuse blew out, and we had to replace it. Please practice. Wind down. The meaning is to relax or unwind after a busy day. As an example, I like to wind down by reading a book before bed. Write off for. It means to request or apply for something in writing. Example: she wrote off for a brochure to learn more about the travel package. Stay focused on studying. Next, close ranks, which means to unite and support each other, especially in times of difficulty. Example: the team closed ranks to overcome the challenges they faced. Hit hard. The meaning is to impact severely or strongly. As an example for you, the economic crisis hit hard, causing job losses and financial difficulties. Game for. It means to be ready or willing to participate in an activity. Example: are you game for a hike this weekend? You can make your own example sentences. Dress down. It means to wear casual or informal clothing. Example. The office has a relaxed dress code, so you can dress down. Panic set in, which means to start feeling panicked or anxious. Example. When the fire alarm went off, panic set in among the students. Thank profusely. It means to express gratitude or appreciation very earnestly. Example. He thanked his friends profusely for throwing him a surprise party. Flicker to life. It means to start or come to life with a flickering motion. Example. The campfire flickered to life as the wood caught fire. Plot thickens. It means the story becomes more complex or interesting. As an example, as the investigation progressed, the plot thickened with unexpected twists. Team up with, which means to join forces or collaborate with someone. Example. They decided to team up with other volunteers to organize the charity event. Stay focused and keep practicing. Track down. It means to find or locate someone or something after searching. As an example, the detective worked tirelessly to track down the missing artifact. Tension grows. It means the feeling of unease or suspense becomes stronger. Example. The tension grew as the protagonist approached the locked door. Delve into. It means to investigate or explore deeply. Piece together. It means to assemble or connect various parts or information to form a whole. Example. By examining the fragments, they were able to piece together the shattered vase. Reach its climax. It means reaches the most intense or pivotal point in the story. Example. The concert reached its climax with a spectacular fireworks display. On the edge of their seats, which means very excited or anxious about what will happen next. Example. The thrilling race had everyone on the edge of their seats. End with. It means conclude with a particular event or situation. Example. The party ended with a spectacular fireworks show. And the last one. Shocking twist, which means an unexpected and surprising turn of events. Don't forget to subscribe. Example. The novel's shocking twist completely changed the reader's perspective. Thank you for watching this video. Practice all the vocabulary and examples that I have given. Hope all of you become fluent in English. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.